Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm doing a review of Chipotle's brisket. I don't normally do videos like this, but I have a bit of an issue with Chipotle, and so I want to give them a fair shot at redeeming themselves. I love Chipotle, but here's the thing. I love a chicken burrito, but I love white meat. I'm not that big of a fan of dark meat, and at Chipotle, all their chicken, well, I don't know about all their chicken, the normal standard chicken that they have is thigh meat, which is dark meat, and I've been in there multiple times before and seen them frying it on, the flat top grill, and, there's a difference between white meat and dark meat, not only in flavor, but as long as a chicken breast is prepared right and trimmed right, it is just one solid piece of good meat. A chicken thigh, and the ones that they have at Chipotle, when they lay it down on the grill, it's not just one solid piece of meat. It's like it's a solid piece of meat with another little piece of meat attached, another little piece of meat attached. Well, all that attachment part is what I don't like, and I have so many times gone to Chipotle, bought a chicken burrito, gotten 3, 4, 5 bites in, and then come to a bite of that gristly connective tissue, or whatever you want to call it. It's not good solid meat. I just call it gristle, and it puts me right off my food, and I don't want to eat the burrito anymore. So I have thrown away more Chipotle burritos than I care to count, because of the meat. And so anyway, I heard they had brisket, and I thought it might be worth a try. So I just went into Chipotle and I just got a brisket burrito, and I'm going to give it a shot and let you know what I think about it. It tastes good. It's a little bit, it's chopped, it's diced up. Let me try one more bite. It's good, I like it. In looking at the pieces of chicken, there's maybe a little bit of fat here and there, but I can tolerate a little bit of fat more than I can tolerate that chewy, gristly meat that, like I said, it just puts me off my food. This is good. It's fairly spicy, but of course Chipotle's chicken is spicy too. But I think it's a good option. It's a bit more expensive. I think I usually pay $9 something, somewhere near 10 for a chicken burrito, and this was $13.60. So it's more expensive, but for me it would be worth it if I can actually end up eating this whole burrito. A lot of times what I do is I would eat half of one and then later eat the other half. But like I said, I've thrown so many away just from, I don't know if you guys are the same as me, but if you bite into something you don't like, I can't just push it aside and take another bite. It just puts me right off my food. So if anybody from Chipotle is watching this video, solid white breast meat, please, I would pay extra. I'm paying almost $4 extra to have this brisket. I would pay extra for white chicken breast meat. I would. It would be worth it. So anyway, I'm going to give this brisket an 8 out of 10, which I think is pretty good. And I'm definitely going to eat more of this burrito. Hopefully by the end of the day I will finish off the whole thing. But I just wanted to share this because I thought there's got to be other people out there like me who have a little bit of an issue with their chicken. I'm sure a lot of people think I'm crazy. I know my son loves their chicken. I like their chicken as long as you're getting all good non-chewy pieces. then if I could have that, I wouldn't be complaining. But unfortunately, it's not all, every bite is a great bite. So anyway, thanks for checking out my video today, and I hope to see you on another one of my videos. Take care.